Good morning. I am Mr. Skowski. I am in room 1318, the culinary classroom for Washington Liberty High School. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the room so that you knew what was all in this classroom, right? So you can see that we have numerous different kitchens in the classroom. We also have a demo table over there. So we have two kitchens over here, which is the one here in the corner on the left is your yellow kitchen, and then the one here on the right is your pink or purple kitchen. And then we also have a bunch of kitchens on this side. So we have the one right here is the red kitchen, and then the green kitchen, and then on the other side we have the orange kitchen and the blue kitchen. All right, you will notice that we have a to-go section over here. So when you go to make food, you can use any of the containers if you need to package up anything that you have left over. And then we also have a refrigerator, which is for any of the student stuff that needs to be refrigerated. You will also notice that we have some laundry. So over here in this section right here is our clean laundry. So this bin, if it's full and you have time and you're not doing anything, if you could fold the laundry, that would be great. And then they can go into the drawers on the bottom. We also have a flour and sugar container, so if your flour and sugar containers are empty, that would be a great place to go and fill up your flour containers. When you're all finished, you will also find a dirty laundry basket. Okay, it looks like that. Right, that's where we throw our dirty laundry. Right, so when you're done with your laundry at the end of the class period, that's where it should go. Please do not mix the dirty laundry into the clean laundry. Right, so this basket over here is clean laundry. That basket over there is for dirty laundry, right? Just want to also give you a idea of what the kitchens look like and all the different kinds of cabinets and drawers that are available, right? Everybody who's in the kitchen is required to wear an apron, so you will find a drawer that says linens, and when you open it up, you'll find linens inside, right? Right now they're in the wash, but there will be a bunch of aprons in there, right? You will also find in here a bunch of different cabinets. So we've got the measuring cabinet, which you will find measuring equipment. You'll also find liquid measuring cups, a hand mixer, mixing bowl, colander, sifter, grater, and then way up there you should be able to see two scales, right? So that is your measuring cabinet. Next to the measuring cabinet will be your food pantry. But just so that you're aware, right, sometimes when you go to open up the cabinet, you'll notice that you can't open up the left side. However, if you peek inside, you should see a little lever at the bottom of the cabinet right here. If you push it in, you can then unlock it, okay? So this one needs to close first, and then that one, right? And then the food pantry, where you will find food. So there's all kinds of ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, pepper, cooking spray, and then also our prep bowls. And then above is our eating stuff, so you'll be able to find plates, bowls, and cups up there. And then underneath on the bottom, underneath you'll find a utensil drawer. So you'll find all kinds of different utensils that you'll need to cook with. You will notice that there is a second set of measuring cups in the utensil drawer for you, okay? You'll also find a baking cabinet, which is where we will find lots of baking supplies, right? So you'll notice that everything is labeled. So the pizza pan, the round pan, the square pan, and the pie plates all belong on the top. And then on the bottom, we have large pans, cookie sheets, small cookie sheets, muffin pans, and cooling racks for you, all right? Also, we have a pots and pans drawer, or cabinet, I should say, sorry. And it's a lazy Susan, which means that this turns around so that you can reach things that are placed in the back of it, okay? So there's all kinds of cookware in there. All right, the last thing is that you have a cleaning cabinet, okay? You should open it up and you should be able to find cleaning spray, dish soap, barkeeper's friend. Some of them may have vinegar in the cabinets as well. This one, just so that you know, barkeeper's friend is meant to use to clean off stuff from your pots and pans. So if your pots and pans get really, really dirty, you can use a little of that and some water and scrub the pots and pans, and they'll be nice and clean. Right? The only thing that should be out on top of your sink is your hand soap and then your sponge. Okay? You'll also notice that every kitchen has some paper towels. Right? The only other things that are out on the counters for you is your mixer, or what we call the KitchenAid, which is the brand of the mixer. And then you'll also have 2 cutting boards and a red tray used to collect ingredients. Okay? So that is the basics of your kitchen. You also obviously have your stove and oven and your microwave. All right? And then you do share a silverware drawer with your other kitchen next to you. Okay, so you should be able to find your pot holders or hand mittens, oven mitts, and then your eating utensils in that drawer. Okay, but all the kitchens are the same, as in they have all of the same cabinets and drawers. They just might be, they're kind of mirrored, so they're on opposite sides. But that is kind of the basics of the kitchen for you. I hope that you enjoy. Thanks.